Hello, this is Malika for Easy Cooking 3 to 1. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious Masoor Dal. This dal is so tasty and easy to make. I want to share my recipe with you. To start, I have a pressure cooker bottom with 1 cup of washed Masoor Dal. To this, I'll add some water. I'll cover this and let it cook for about 1 whistle or about 10 to 15 minutes. After the dal is cooked and the pressure has come down, I'll remove the cover and check on the dal. This is nicely cooked. I'll add some water to it according to the thickness of dal desired, some salt to taste, some chopped cilantro leaves or dhania patta. I'll turn the heat back on. I'll let this cook until it has come to a boil. After it has come to a boil, I'll allow it to boil for a minute or so, after which I'll remove it from heat and prepare the seasoning. For seasoning, I have a pan on medium heat with 2 tablespoons of ghee. To it, I'll add some cumin seeds or zeera and wait for it to darken and sizzle. Once the zeera has darkened, I'll add some chopped ginger and green chilies. Green chilies are to taste. I'll mix this, let it cook for about 30 seconds or so. Add some turmeric powder, some asafetida or hing, a pinch of asafetida or hing. I'll mix this, turn the heat off. Add it to the cooked dal. Lastly, I'll add some lemon juice to taste. Mix this and this delicious dal is ready to serve. Next to taste, so delicious, just try it. Delicious Masoor Dal, you can serve with rice or chapati. I like this dal so much, I can eat a whole bowl all by itself. Recipe details are at easycooking3to1.com. Thank you for watching.